Wolf Run Eclipse, put 20 in, down to $1.80.
Penny denom, 80 cents back.
Got 23 games with at least 2 wild stacks in each spin.
Was the minor. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Come on, fill the screen with wild stacks. Okay. That's something. Got a retrigger.
Nice.
And 5 of those.
Got 3 extra games.
I didn't know that. I thought we had to catch 3. Nice. Fine hat. Keep going. Nice. That's you.
$18.
Get it, baby. Full screen that sucker. Big.
$14.95. Not where we want
Full
them.
screen. Oh, that's good. That's good. Not so much. Come on. There we go.
Give us 2 more symbols. I'd love 3.
One more. There it is. There it is. There it is. That's you.
$27. $7.90.
Nice. Nice.
Last one. $108.15. Like and subscribe. See you on the next video.